What if on the day of judgment, the oppressed people of Palestine stand before Allah and say, these were the same people who watched us suffer and did nothing? Just imagine that moment. What will be our excuse? Prophet Muhammad warned us, whoever doesn't care about the affairs of Muslim is not one of them. Look around you. Innocent children, women and men are being killed in Gaza. Hospitals are targeted, homes are destroyed, and the world stays silent. The Quran reminds us, why do we not fight for those oppressed, crying out to Allah for help? Yet we stay comfortable scrolling through social media while our brothers and sisters cry for justice. I remember when George Floyd was killed in America, the whole world rose up. Human rights, equality, but where are the same voices for Palestine? The suffering of Palestine is met with silence, selective outrage, and hypocrisy. Do whatever you can for Palestinians, but it's time to wake up, get knowledge about Islam, and be physically and financially strong.